Hi guys, for this video, we will talk about how to add and subtract similar fractions. So kung marirecall nyo lang yung previous video ko about similar fractions are fractions that have equal denominators. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung example natin for today, pare-pareho sila ng denominators. Okay? So basahin natin. Ang sabi, to add similar fractions, just add the numerator and copy the denominator. Simple lang. To subtract similar fractions, just perform subtraction in the numerator and copy the denominator. Okay, so madali lang daw. So, number 1, gawin natin. So, number 1, so 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to, so sabi, add lang daw yung numerator. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And then, sabi, copy the denominator, which is 3. So, copy natin yan. So, ang sagot ay 2/3. Okay? Number 2, dali lang no. Number 2, 1/4 plus 2/4 is equal to, again, add natin yung numerator. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, ang sagot natin ay 3/4. Okay? Number 3, 1/10 plus 3/10 is equal to 1 plus 3, 4/10. Or kung lowest term natin yan, gagawa ko ng separate video on how to find the lowest term. So, for this one, lowest term ng 4/10 is 2/5. So, didiscuss ko to sa susunod na video natin kung paano mag lowest term. Number 4, 2/7 plus 3/7 is equal to 5/7. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. Number 5, 4/9 plus 3/9. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And then copy, you have 7/9. Okay? Number 6. So, number 6 is subtraction naman. Okay? Sabi, 2/3 minus 1/3. Okay? Again, to subtract daw, just perform subtraction in the numerator and copy the denominator. Okay? So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And then copy rin daw yung denominator. Okay, copy rin daw. So, for number 6, meron tayo 1/3. Number 7, 5/6 minus 2/6, 2/6. 5 minus 2 is 3, 6. So, lowest term nito ay, sa pagkuha ng lowest term, hanapin nyo yung common factor nila, which is 3, and then divide by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ganyan ang lowest term. Again, i-detalye ko ng explanation yan for a separate video. Number 8, 23 over 25 minus 13 over 25 is equal to 23 minus 13 is 10 over 25. So, greatest common factor nila ay 5. So, 10 is multiple of 5. So, 25 is also multiple of 5. So, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Number 9. 10 over 11 minus 3 over 11. Sorry. Okay. Is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. So, meron tayong 7, 11. Okay. Dali lang, no? 10, 13 over 15 minus 2 over 15 is equal to 13 minus 2, 11. Meron tayo 11 over 15. So, ganun lang kadali. Madali lang mag-add and subtract ng similar fraction. So, for the similar fraction, wait for my next video. I-discuss natin yun doon. I hope na may natutunan kayo rito. Kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you.